What's going on, guys? We're gonna try some Heart Throb today. Lightning Link game. Let me show you guys the progressives. We got 4,000 in, and we're gonna start with $50 spin. So we need 6 of those hearts.
I got the grand jackpot, guys. Mr. Mike, which one's the big, left or right?
Right. Hold and spin. There you go. So 6 of those or 3 of the moons. Oh, right away. Look at that. That's massive.
Wow.
That's huge. Oh, sorry, NG. That's huge. I forgot the
It's huge, bro.
That is over 2,000 already. The mathematician. Oh, another 500.
Oh my gosh, I got the grand jackpot.
Nice, another 500. Wait, this is dollar denominated, right?
I'll drop that later.
Wow. What is going on here? All right, come on, drop that major. Last spin, come on, baby. Oh. That is huge, seriously. Both of us, look. Third, fourth spin. That's huge. 46.50. 9999. Awesome. Let me get my fast pay working. What's happening with the fast pay? So I got NG on my left, Bomba on my right.
Mr. Mike's new bodyguard.
And Bomba just got the bonus. And he's not recording. I'm gonna record for you, Bomba. Bomba.
Jinxed it.
He bombed it.
That's a massive, Garo. Right?
So this game has massive potential because of the multipliers during the free games. I haven't played this game in a very long time. One more? The bonus were nice, big numbers. Oh! And you got another one.
Grab that grand jackpot.
Get that major, NG. Come on.
Do it, Andy.
Come on, Heart Throb. Give me those free hits. One more? No. Come on. Is that enough backup spins? Oh, there it is. Jackpot number 2. Oh, don't stop on me. Come on. Oh, you stopped on me. It's alright. $2,000. So it wasn't enough backup spins. Let me get my fast pay going, guys. All right, let's go. Again? Oh, man. Try. For luck. Just trying it. One more? No. Give me your luck changer. Oh, and you got it again. Bomba, it's your turn, brother. Are you? There it is. See? Bomba got it too. They both have it. And I don't. Drop that major, Bomba. Come on. Come on, Moons. Oh, another one. Get it, NG. Oh, man. Major. $6,098 major. Bomba getting the grand. Bomba. Right here. Come on. Oh, man. All right. Come on, one more major. Yeah, let's get a minor. All right, I'll take a minor. Come on, baby, last spin. That's huge. Huge. The trio. How much? $72.98.
Oh, 7? Oh, maybe it was 6,000. It's almost 10.
The problem is, you guys don't know how to win. Can you guys watch me? Okay, you guys watch. Did you guys bring your notepads? Do you have your note? You brought it? Okay. So this is how you... Yeah, you should buy my book. One more. Horrible machine.
Come on, miracle. Like says bomba, miracle.
Come on, Moon. There it is. All right, come on. Oh, come on. Last spin. Make it count. Come on. Nope. 156. That was not good. This machine's been on fire though. I can't complain at all. Kidding me? Minor. So I like hard throb. Today. Come on.
Do it.
This machine did it already. Come on, hard throb. I'm not done with you. I need another one. Give it to me, baby. I think this machine died. But I don't blame him, man. I don't blame Hot Club. Yeah, I knocked this machine out. All right, a few more spins. Oh. No. Oh, I wanted to end it with 13,000. Wow. All right. I was trying to end it here, but all right. $15 spin bonus. Okay. 255. Nice. Why can't this happen on like a big, you know, like $50 bet? That's so awesome. 882. Seriously, he doesn't want me to leave. Look at that. Are you kidding? It's the finger. Wow, unbelievable. Seriously, I'm gonna take this home with me. Can you guys help me carry it?
Yeah, why not?
They won't notice. Nobody will notice, I promise. Yeah. They're not gonna. Don't worry. Horrible machine. $129. Let's go with $50 max bets. I was trying to end it. Oh wow.
Who picked this machine?
Actually, it's funny. Before I started playing this machine, I asked Bomba and NG. I said, "You guys pick a machine." NG picked Sahara for me, and Bomba picked Tiki. And I said, "All right, thank you guys." And I came to our Throb.
So we both laughed on 65 and Sahara got
I did the exact opposite of what they said.
What should I play?
Seriously, you guys should ask me what to play.
What should I play?
First, the first thing you do is you go to Mr. Mike's Slot channel. You watch his videos, so you learn how to win.
I will subscribe, no problem.
Okay, I just got a subscriber.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir. Let's try 50 cents. What should you play? I don't know. It's a good question. I'm gonna pick a machine for you, NG.
Okay. I need 100,000 for break even.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
No, that's nothing. Easy.
Actually, 125,000. Sorry.
Oh, easier. No problem. One more? No?
Really, you cannot bet this machine give you another bonus?
Yeah, I'll feel bad for the machine. This machine's been on fire.
Did you see that major you got on 6,000? It's marks up from yesterday.
Yeah, the tiki has been nice. One more? Ah.
Horrible machine.
All right, last spin again. Horrible machine.
Never
Seriously. Another one? No. All right, guys. Another bonus. All right, guys. This was fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.